Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to VR Computer Education Class 8. So today class we are going to learn about applications of computer. So today our topic is applications of computer. So what are the applications of computer are there? Means applications means where mostly these computers are used. So nowadays if you observe everywhere computerization, everyone is using computer at homes, office, right? So like this some will take some areas which we use the computers, and we will discuss those areas in brief, right? So let us see. First, in business, next banking, next insurance, next medical, next communication, next education, next marketing, next defense, next designing, next entertainment and recreation, next transport. So all we have taken some areas. So in business, banking, insurance, medical, communication, education, marketing, defense, designing, entertainment and recreation, and transport, how these computers are using. Let us discuss one by one. First, in business sector. So in business, computers are used in business organizations for creating documents and typing letters, sending emails, next calculating payrolls, next budgeting, next sales analysis, next mapping employee data. Here, see, in business, this computer used like this. They'll type a documents, they'll type a letters, they'll prepare a timetables, right? Like they will send emails, appointment orders, right? Like those things. Next, salary regarding documents or business related documents, they can send emails. Next, calculating payrolls like employee salaries, net budgeting like profit, losses, and sales analysis like product sales analysis year by year or month wise or weekly. Mapping employee data, so they'll map the employees data. So this is about what business. Next, maintenance of stocks, they'll also maintain stocks. Next, about banking. So now in banking sector, how these computers are used. So banking is almost totally depending on computers. So nowadays banking, many times we'll see server is not working, no network. Please cooperate with us. Like this, they'll put a board and they'll sit silently. Like banking is mostly totally depending on computers only. So they provide various facilities like online accounting, which includes checking current balance at any time from anywhere. Suppose if you have a smartphone with internet connection and one banking application like apps nowadays. So SBI they provide like ONO app, right? Like that individual bank they have own apps. Using that you can check online accounting. So like current balance, then next amount of transactions at any time from anywhere if you have internet connection with smartphone. Next, net banking you can do, and they also provides they also provide to store account holders. So they'll also store account holders, how many account holders are there in the bank, like information they'll store, and the record on cash, how much cash at present, or how much cash are deposited or how much cash withdrawal, right? How much amount of loans are given, like different thing they'll maintain a record. Next, all transactions, all day by day transactions also they will do. So example, you have Google Pay, Phone Pay, like this third party application Beam, UPI payments. So like this you can do, and you can do online transactions. You can send money to anyone. But this is about banking. Next, we'll see about insurance. So insurance companies are storing all the records update with the help of computers only. So insurance companies, what they are doing, they are storing all the records and updates with the help of computers only. They are also maintaining client database which shows the starting date of policy, next due and installment, next maturity date, next interest due, next survival benefits and bonus. So like this type of like policy, for which day policy has started, what is the last date of the policy, how much amount of how much maturity date, so at what time the maturity is going to finish, what is the interest due, like survival benefits, and if any bonus is there, all the details you can see in the insurance app. Like insurance department, they will maintain a database is nothing but which stores large amount of data. So like this insurance companies are doing using computers. Next coming to medical. So in medical field, computers play a very important role in hospitals, mainly labs and dispensaries. They are used to store patients records and medicine records. So patient and medicine records. It also used in scanning, diagnosing different diseases. Like example, you can say ECG, CT scan, MRI. Nowadays, many hospitals are using high-end technology to diagnose many diseases like ECG, CT scan, MRI are also done by using computers, like patient monitoring and pharmacy information. So patient monitoring, they will see the next pharmacy like medicine information and surgery information. If any surgery is taken by any patient, that patient surgery information stored in computers, right? So whenever a patient goes to hospital, all the details are stored in the computer. Next, in the after medical field, next communication. So in communication, how these computers are used. So computers play a very important role in communication system, because communication is a way to convey a message or speech. So what is communication means? With some message or speech we are going to give. So using computers can be done with with anyone at any time. So now in the previous days, in olden days, there is very less communication systems, right? Like letter communication, after land phones, like cell phones, now smartphones, like that improving. So technology improved and the communication is also doing very fastly. So using computers, you can use social media like emails, like Google Mail, Yahoo Mail, Rediff Mail. You can use like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. So these computers you can use and you can play very important role in communication system. So with this you can send messages to your friends or to anyone very fastly and quickly. So these things are helped in communication. After communication, next see in education. So in education, computers provide a tool in education system, that is CBE, computer based education. So by using this tool, educational institutions can use many methods to educate the students. So CBE is just like one application, right? This is just one like software can be used, computer based education. So whatever class is there, that class is recorded and posted in that software, so you can listen at any time, right? So using that CBE, you can educate the students. Nowadays you are going online classes due to that pandemic situation, right? Many of them are using like Google Meet, Zoom, WebEx and YouTube online classes. The examples in education used by using computers. Next after education, next in marketing. So in marketing, computers are used for creating professional advertisements for their products, and can advertise online also using Google Ads, YouTube banner ads, and digital ads, etc. See marketing, you know very well, So in marketing, you have to promote your product. So your product should be sold. So to be sold, you have to show all its features. So what is your product? What are good things it is going to do, right? So like that, you have to give some advertisements. So instead of giving, there are many methods in marketing your product. You can give newspaper ad, you can give print media, electronic media, like that. Nowadays you can use online advertising also, like Google ads. We have in the YouTube, you can put banner ads and digital ads. So using this, you can also promote your product. So after marketing, next coming to the defense. So defense means here ordnance factories. So computers are used, DRDO example, right? So computers are used to help in marketing weapons, making weapons, controlling their functions, launching missiles, and keeping record it, right? So in defense, what they are doing, they are designing a weapons, or they are making of weapons and controlling those weapons, and launching missiles, are keeping their record at what time this missile is launched, at which latitude and which longitude, in which direction this missile should go. Everything they will be programmed in the computer. After programming, they will release the missile. They will launch the missile. So it helps in establishing communication link between the soldiers and their commanders. So in defense, they will use computers for communication link between soldiers and their commanders and the commanding office also. How? Through satellite. So through satellite, they are going to speak with their commanders and office in using computers. So like this, these defense people are used computers. So after defense, next you have designing. So in designing, so like this, designing magazines, newspapers, books, advertisements, dresses, construction plans, etc. So in olden days, everything with pen or paper or pencil or paper, they used to do a design a dress. They used to draw the, for designing a dress, they used to draw, the designers used to draw the dresses, and advertisements also they used to write on a paper. Next, newspapers, right, a newspaper article also now they are going to design using computers also. They're like pagemaker, photoshop, different applications they will use in designing these magazines or newspapers or books. And construction plan, house construction plan also can be done in designing using computers. Next, after designing, entertainment and recreation. So in entertainment and recreation, how computers play the important role. So computers used for playing games, listening to music, watching movies, making cartoon and animated movies, and drawing pictures. So like this, you can enjoy the games, you can enjoy the music, so you can enjoy the movies. Next, you can make the cartoon animated movies, and you can draw the pictures. This is like entertainment using computers. Next, transport. And finally, in transport, like bus, so you can book bus tickets, you can book flight tickets, you can book train tickets, right, using transportation. So without going there, advanced booking can be done in front by sitting at home only, right? So computers are used in providing information about seat availability, booking tickets, and keeping records of all passengers, right? So they'll keep how many seats are available. Next, how many passengers are going, how many passengers are booked till now, and how much seats are left. Like this information you can see in the net using computer. It is also show information about arrival and departure day-to-day timings. So if a train or bus or flight, anything, it's arrival or departure date and a day and timings. So example, we have third party application, that is Oyo app, next Make My Trip app, Redbus, etc. These are the some of the website names or apps. Apps means you can use in the mobile phone, smartphone. Website also you can open and see in the computer. So like this, transportation department is also using computers. So this is about our applications of computer. Make business, banking, insurance, medical, communication, education. Next, marketing, next defense, next designing, uh, next entertainment and recreation, and finally transport. Thank you.